All right, boys, what is going on? As you can see, we are finally sitting in the ST. I'm finally gonna bring you an ST content video. I keep getting so many comments on the ST and how great they are, so might as well show you a POV because I've been not filming at all and I haven't done anything fun with the ST, so I'm gonna try to bring a fun video. So we're about to just go rip it on the back roads, and I'll give you my perspective on this car. I've owned it the last 6 months, and yeah, we'll get into this a little bit more. All right, boys, so like I said, I've owned this car the last like 6 months, 7 months-ish. I bought it with 52,000 miles on it. Right now we're sitting at 64, almost 65.5. Yeah, this car's been great. It's honestly a lot of fun. Here. Ooh. Yeah, so usually I get tired of things very, very easily. And honestly, I still love this car a lot after all that time. Like, that's one of the higher ends of me keeping a car, because usually after about like 3 to 6 months I'm done with it, ready for something new. But yeah, this car's been a lot of fun. Yeah, I honestly get a lot more compliments on this car than I do on the Mustang, which is kind of crazy to me. I didn't know a lot about these cars when I bought it. I kind of just bought it because I was trying to find something cheaper. So this was what I found, which is kind of funny because I was looking for something like a Toyota Corolla or something stupid like that, just as a daily, so I could put more money into the truck build and to my Mustang, since I haven't really done as much as I want to do with that. More content will be hopefully coming on that, maybe like as we get closer to the springtime or summer. Maybe I'll be able to start doing stuff to it, but right now I've just been dumping boatloads of money into the truck. So if you've been missing that content, you should check that stuff out. And yeah, so like I said, this car's been a lot of fun. It hasn't given me really any troubles besides having to replace the bearings for the shock towers. I didn't know what it was at first, but I figured that out, and at first I was quoted like $600 to get that fixed, and it was like, I don't know, maybe like 50 bucks for the new bearings. And then I just ended up replacing them myself, which I'd never done before. That wasn't too bad to do. Other than that, this car's been like pretty stout. I've just been doing the regular oil changes. I've been changing the spark plugs every other oil change because I've done a couple oil changes already. What else did I do? I've changed the tires and wheels. I wasn't going to at first, but I ended up finding I needed new tires really bad, and I ended up finding brand new tires and brand new wheels for literally 500 bucks. So I was like, might as well get that done. I sold my other wheels for like 500, so I ended up getting what I paid. So it was like an even exchange, which is awesome. And I like these wheels a lot better. Honestly, I wasn't really messing with the other ones too much. And what else? Oh, I picked up an air intake. I picked up a Cobb air intake for like 150 bucks. And it was brand new, never used, still brand new in the box. I haven't put it on yet because at first I thought I was going to be getting the intercooler, and I wanted to just get everything because I already have a tuner. Oh, let's rip it real quick. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You see why this car is so much fun? Whew. Damn, it's hard to like do it justice like showing you on camera, but like I know there's so many people that want one of these cars, and rightfully so. Like, I never messed with four cylinders, like four-cylinder turbo cars especially. I never messed with them, like I never liked them. But now after having one, I totally understand the fun of them and why people love them so much. They just really are so much fun. You could just really rip on them really hard and they just don't get like boring, you know? Here, let's go. That shit never gets old. It's so much fun ripping it on the back roads. I have a lot of back roads near me like this, so I'm always driving on roads like this all the time. And these are like the perfect cars. For the longest time I really wanted a WRX, and this is very similar to a WRX, the way they drive, I feel like. And I got to borrow my friends for like 6 months, so I got a lot of seat time in one. And I don't know, there's just something about these kind of cars that are just so much fun. hopefully you guys heard the blow-off valve and the exhaust a little bit. I was trying to show it to you. It's kind of cold out today, so I don't really want to leave the windows down too much, but I wanted to give you something because I have not posted at all, which I'm gonna get into that at the end of the video if you actually like stick around to that. But yeah, like I said, this car is a lot of fun. Like I said, I haven't had any issues yet really, besides those bearings on the front shocks. But besides that, like I said, there's not really much done to this car besides I put new wheels on it, new wheels and tires. It's got the blow-off valve, and I have a 3-inch straight back exhaust, like from the cat back. I don't have a downpipe on it at all yet. I still am like iffy about that because in New Jersey there's a lot of stupid laws with those kind of things. So I probably won't end up doing that, but I do have a tuner already, and like I said, I got the intake. So all I really want is the intercooler, and then after that, like, I'll probably get it tuned, and I'll probably call that good for a little bit since this is my daily, and I drive pretty far sometimes to go back home to New York. So that's pretty much it with this car. Oh, and I did the, as you can see with the seats, this is the ST1. So I didn't get this when I bought the car. It had the really tiny screen, and I couldn't mess with that after having Apple CarPlay for so long. So I installed this. It was kind of costly to do. I think I probably spent about $800 between the wiring harness, the head unit, like the bezel and everything else. And it took me like probably about 6 hours to try to actually get it all working, because I was trying to get because I have a Mac, I couldn't get the OBD reader to work with my Mac, so I was trying to figure out how to do that. But the actual install of this was super easy. You could probably install this and get all the wirings done and stuff, I would say maybe in an hour or less, if you're pretty good with doing things like that. But not too bad at all. I'm gonna just show you like just not talking and just like driving the car. So here's just some clips of me just going through the woods and whatever else. So hope you guys enjoy. I gotta do a little rip for you. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Man, this car never gets old, just like the Mustang. Every time you get in it, it's just so much fun. But it's like, all right boys, like I said, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted on my story, the last video I posted, that I was gonna kind of get into like why I haven't really been posting too much. But honestly, I lost my confidence to post videos and like do a lot of things. I was just kind of like going through it like pretty bad, and I was kind of keeping that on the low with a lot of people. But I just kind of wanted to say why I haven't been really posting. Like I really was about to just like stop making videos altogether. It just seemed like I've been doing this, I think I've been making videos for the last like 2 or 3 years now, and I just felt like it wasn't going anywhere. I feel like it's like really hard to compete with a lot of the bigger YouTubers and stuff. But for some reason I keep getting comments from people, and like positive comments, and people just keep subbing. We just reached over 700 subs, so we're getting a lot closer to that 1,000. I really thought we would have been there a while ago, but I also kind of kicking myself too because I haven't been posting. So like I can't be so mad if I haven't been posting. And I feel like another big reason why I kind of was getting down bad about it was all the stuff that I've been doing for the OBS. I thought they were going to be a lot more quality videos, and I thought people were going to like the kind of content a lot. And I've just been dumping a lot of money and time into that truck, and the videos just aren't going where I want them to, like at all. And that's a lot of the content that I've been filming lately, because that's really what I've been focusing on so much, because I feel like I need to get it done. And that was kind of getting me like in the dumps a little bit, because I was just like, what's the point of even posting if nobody's watching? And I was kind of just like, I don't know how to make this content better. I still get that way. And honestly, I'm just kind of gonna keep posting like what I'm doing. And you know, if people start watching, they start watching, and if they don't, they don't. And I'm just not gonna stress about like when I post and like how often I post. Like if I post, I post. If I don't, I don't. It is what it is. I'm gonna try to make more content though, and I'm gonna just keep trying to like pump stuff out, and hopefully I can be more consistent with it, especially like approaching that 1,000 subs. Like hopefully that just kind of kicks something in me to want to do this more and be more consistent with it. Like I really do want to grow, and I really do still want to make videos, but sometimes just life gets in the way, I guess. Like things get hard and stuff happens, you know. But we're out here trying to film a video, so we're doing it, I guess. But yeah, so besides that, I started training for a marathon, and I've been in the gym a lot more, so I'm trying to like better myself and try to eat better as well, which that's the hardest part. That is really hard. But yeah, we're trying. Mileage has been honestly pretty on point. I got sick last week, so I've been sick. That's kind of like another reason why I didn't post a video last week, just because I was not feeling good. And I knew I wanted to get this video out, and I do have a lot of content filmed that I just have not posted at all or edited. But I probably have about 7 to 10 videos that I just have queued up, just ready to be edited, that are from months ago, like probably from like almost a year ago, of just stuff working on the truck that I just have not posted. And now all the truck content, like where I'm at with it, is it's back to a roller. I'm about to get my wiring harness back, hopefully pretty soon. That's been like a year of me having it sent out. I just finished the motor basically. Right now I have the heads dropped off at the shop, so they're getting all done. And I wasn't gonna do that at first, but my head gaskets were leaking, so now I'm replacing the head gaskets. I paid the 600 bucks for the ARP head studs, so I got that. And then what else did I get? I'm probably gonna go bigger turbo, bigger injectors, bigger injection pump, and all that fun stuff. But just to give like a little bit of update on that's where we're at with that. So hopefully pretty soon we'll have the motor completely done, throw it back in the truck, and then get very close to being done with that project. Like we're getting there. After that, literally all I got to do is what's it called, put it all back together. Yeah, but hopefully for 2024 I can post a lot more, and we can grow a lot more and do a lot more with this channel. Pretty soon I think we're gonna start getting the Mustang going, like the 67. If you guys haven't seen that, I kind of neglected that as well, but that should hopefully be going in my uncle's garage, and my grandpa is going to start doing the bodywork stuff on that thing. And hopefully once that happens, then maybe we can start going through the parts and show you what I actually got, since I said I was going to do that. And I know people have asked me about it, and I've kind of just not had the time to do it, and everything's just kind of shoved in the shed and the garage, and it's just, everything is all over the place, and it's a pain in the neck. because I can't figure out how to organize everything because I don't have the room to do it. And right now, building a big garage in my backyard is just not in the cards, so that's just, it's not gonna happen. So it's gonna be a while, but hopefully the Mustang will start get going. And like I said, gonna get some stuff for this. The truck, hopefully it will be back on the road maybe by the summer. I really hope so, but I really don't know. Everybody keeps asking me about that too, when it's gonna get done. And hey, I work on it when I can, and everything is about money too. Things for that thing are super expensive. I'm probably gonna dump another 2 or 3K just in the motor alone, and that's not even including the rest of the bodywork that needs to get done, all the other parts that I need, because I do need a bunch of stuff for it. And I can tell you right now, I'm probably gonna put another 15K into it easily. All right, boys, that's probably gonna wrap up this POV. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I kind of rambled on about just random stuff. I kind of do that a lot, but oh well. And yeah, so hopefully we start posting more, and hopefully 2024 is a little bit better than 2023 with just life in general, because things have been just dark lately, and I don't know why. But we're gonna try to start posting better content. And yeah, please subscribe, please help the channel out. I really appreciate it. Hopefully we can start getting going on these builds and they can start really getting done, because I got a lot to do on all of them. So we got a lot of content to post, but we just need to start filming. We need to get that confidence back. So hopefully we can reach that 1,000 subs. It seems like now things are starting to like move a little bit quicker, so I really appreciate that. So thanks for supporting the channel, and I hope you guys tune in to see the rest of the stuff that's going on with the channel and everything else in life. So peace out.